Welcome to 3112 Shandell Road in Hollywood Hills, Los Angeles, California. Located in what's called the Colony, this micro neighborhood is one of the most popular pockets in Hollywood Hills. It's known for its surreal and peaceful haven. You'll notice the infrastructure. The streets are wide, actual sidewalks, and most importantly, the power lines are buried underground. It creates a clean cinematic canvas that is rare for canyon living, setting the stage for some of the most premier mid-century architects in all of Los Angeles. The frontage is intentionally minimalist for privacy. As we step onto the herringbone tiles of the entryway, it reveals the beginning. This newly crafted, oversized wood pivot door stays true to its home's 1960s character. The sculptural art piece in this home is the spiral staircase. It anchors the den, the home, and the sawtooth ceilings that soar up to 25 feet and can also be classified as a reading or lounge area. It's a perfect place to read a book, get work done, or enjoy a drink while embracing sounds from the built-in vintage speakers. Moving into the kitchen, the Douglas fir cabinetry and the expansive Italian marble island creates a professional-grade culinary environment that feels warm and organic. With the unique upgrades like the pass-through bar wall and the outdoor built-in gas barbecue, makes this home a natural for hosting, allowing guests to flow effortlessly from the kitchen to the terrace. Every detail here is intentional, preserving the structural integrity, keeping vintage Hollywood alive with contemporary sensibility. This is the first of two tiers of outdoor living. The pool and heated spa have been fully replastered in a peaceful, blissful courtyard. Standing here, the only thing you hear is the sounds of birds and the rustle of maturing plants. It's common to see butterflies here, a fitting symbol for a home that has undergone such a transformation. From the glass design to keeping the character with vintage design balcony rails, the architecture remains rooted. Heading down to the more secluded second level, we find ourselves in a wellness retreat, a private seating area that leads to a wood sauna and a secret Zen garden. It is a space that you can remove yourself from the city entirely. As we head back inside, notice how the sunlight touches every corner of this property. It truly feels like a resort-style home away from home. It's a space that puts a smile on your face, an experience that my voice or visuals can't perfectly describe. The bedrooms are equally as unique. The first suite features a skylight with an automated blind and a private ensuite where the shower actually opens to the outdoors, a two-panel accordion door. Moving along, they transformed what was once the brain, the IT hub, into a thoughtfully designed powder room, relocating the system into a cooler, darker space in the garage. There is also a dedicated laundry room. Then, we see the vibrant, lemony shared bathroom between the other two bedrooms, a playful touch to the home's origins with its glass brick and copper accents. Now, the other two bedrooms on this level also feature skylights with retractable blinds, with one offering a private guest access directly to the backyard and access to the street. We finish our tour by heading up to that striking spiral staircase to the primary suite. The high ceilings give an expansive, private, yet loft-like vibe. Moving to our right, we go into an open concept custom dressing room that provides incredible storage. As we wrap around the closet, we get to feel the vibe of this primary suite, and we move towards the ensuite bathroom, where we bask in the marble finishes, a double vanity, a soaking tub with a shower, with ample windows to soak in the sun and help with your morning circadian rhythm from natural light. And we end our tour here, onto this elongated, peaceful balcony, looking over to the backyard, the pool, and the canyon. A true trophy asset, one of the most serene pockets of the hills.